Here I have TCL 10 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So firstly you have to open your browser, which you use normally, then tap here, open history, then tap clear browsing data. Next, what you have to do is you have to select the time period for what you want to remove your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. Next, you have to select data formats which you want to remove. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cache images and files, and confirm it here by tapping clear data. And as you can see, history is clear. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.